Alright, today we're going to be making Entity 12, the Dunk, with polymer clay. We're just getting our colors assembled and then we're ready to get dunking. So according to the Backrooms wiki, dunks are small, mostly peaceful creatures that are easily tamed. But they're also so obedient that they're not afraid to commit extreme acts of violence if commanded. Honestly, if I were ever trapped in the Backrooms, I'd love to have just like a little miniature army of like 10 dunks that could like protect me and stuff. Anyway, we got the basic shape of its body finished, so now we're working on its trunk. Its trunk also has this like weird little hand thing on the end of it, kinda like an elephant trunk, but if it turned into an arm at the tip of it. As you can see, I just rolled out some little like fingers for it, and now we're gonna attach them. And now it just kinda looks like a hand that got ran over by a steamroller. Alright, so now that the trunk's all good and attached, we're gonna move on to making its eyes. The eyes are probably the most detailed and most tedious part, but even they were pretty easy to make. As you can see, they came together pretty quickly. I'm realizing that the more I look at it, the more it's starting to remind me of the vacuum cleaner from Teletubbies. But honestly, that vacuum cleaner is way more terrifying, which is pretty ironic considering that one is from the Backrooms and the other is from a show for toddlers. Now we're working on its legs, which almost look like little wheels, but they are indeed just very small little stubby legs. And now we're on the final step, which is to make its little horns, which I originally thought was some kind of hat. Like, it kind of reminded me of one of those like sailor hats, but according to the wiki, they're just weirdly shaped horns. Anyway, that was our final touch, so our dunk is complete. I guess you could say this video was a slam dunk? If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like and comment, and subscribe for more content. Peace.